Hey happy people! So a few years ago, I made my first goodie basket for all the many parcel workers who deliver the many packages that I was having delivered to my house on a daily basis. Well, it was such a wonderful experience that I continue to do it every single year, putting out a basket of treats and sometimes drinks through the fall and winter months. So last Christmas, I decided that I would make a permanent basket for my delivery personnel friends that I can change up and keep out all year long. Check it out. So I had this post just sitting around for ages and I kept playing with ideas for it, but this is its destiny. So I stained it with Early American Stain by Minwax. I also had these basswood planks left over from another project. They're from Michael's, by the way, and they were the perfect size, so I painted them with a flat white outdoor paint. Once that dried, I sanded the edges to distress it a little bit. I printed out some wording using my Cricut, but you can totally use a stencil or those little poster letters from Dollar Tree or a combination of both. Don't let the stickers get you down. People care about the sentiment, not the lettering. I might end up adding these to my Etsy shop as well, and if you're interested in that or you'd like to check it out, the link is in the description box below. Oh yeah, and don't forget to go over the letters with some Mod Podge or sealant, and then just nail them in place. I had a shelf from a cabinet that I had just thrown away, and it turned out to be the perfect sized base for this project, which made it really super cool. So I carefully used my favorite tool to drill 4 holes, and then I attached the 2 pieces together with screws. I had this ribbon in my Christmas stuff. I think I also got it at Michael's, but I made a nice big bow to decorate this stand with. I also added some Christmas pics, but the cool part about this all is that the decoration is attached with Velcro, so it's completely removable, and I can switch out the embellishments throughout the year to match the seasons. Then I had this basket that I was actually going to donate because I never thought to take out the liner and just use the basket, duh. So I removed the liner and filled the basket full of goodies. Voila! Thank you so much for giving me a moment of your day. I hope your mailman and delivery person smiles as they find a nice treat from you at your doorstep. Have a great day. Bye.